Jerk chicken is one of those things that was more of a preservation and survival tactic for a lot of the Moor people in Jamaica. There was a point in time where they were getting pushed out of their land due to people coming in. They took protein and they would put it in these containers, and then they would add a bunch of spices to it. They did that so when they got to where they were going, which is usually like up in the mountain or just up the hill or just a couple miles away, because they're, you know, always kind of moving, a little nomadic, they'd get to their spot, start a fire, and then start cooking off all of these proteins on a nice slow, low grill, or over fire, essentially. And lo and behold, jerk was born. As far as what we know as jerk chicken today and what it used to be, or what it started off as, from my experience and from my readings and understanding, it's very similar. It's probably not exactly the same, but it's very, very similar.